Hello friends, this is Dr. Zain Agha from Zain's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make aubergine and potato. It makes very nice, very tasty. I'm going to show you what we have for this. I've got 2 aubergines, I've got 2 potatoes, I've got 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, and I've got 1 piece of ginger and about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic with about 4 chilies, green chilies. Now besides that, in the spices I've got a spoonful of salt, this is Himalayan salt, and a spoonful of cumin seeds, and I've got a spoonful of paprika powder and a spoonful of coriander powder. These are all teaspoons, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and about a teaspoonful of red chili powder, that's the Kashmiri powder. Besides that, I've got about half a cup or quarter cup of yogurt, which I'm going to put it in the end. Now I've got some oil, this is the vegetable oil. I'm going to fry the potatoes and the aubergine in that first, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, I've cut the potatoes. They are in small pieces like this. Here you can see I'm going to fry them, and I've also cut the aubergine. I'm going to cut them further into half pieces. Now I'm going to fry the potatoes until they are golden brown. Now you need to fry that much, like golden brown like that, and then take it off. Now we're going to put in the aubergine and fry it here. Now I'm going to make it also brown, golden brown, then we're going to take it off. Now while the aubergines are frying, I'm going to grind this onions in this. Now there goes a big piece of ginger. I got it into 2 pieces, and cloves, garlic cloves gone in there, and the green chilies also there. Now we're going to grind it, okay? It has to be brown like this, both sides. Okay, I'll come back when it's ready. Now it's almost ready. I'm going to take it out. So, now I'm ready. going to turn off the flame. And so this is our the fried ones. I'm going to take off some of the oil from it so that I can cook it. Just a minute. Got some of the oil, and there's a very little oil left in the pan, so I'm going to put the onion paste in there. Okay, the onion with all the other ingredients. So the flame is off. When it gets brown, then I'll come back to you and show you what to do. Now I'm going to put in the masala in it. This masala that I had made with water, I'm going to put this in. I'll increase the flame, and I'm going to fry it, and then I'm going to add the tomatoes in it. Okay, I'm going to keep frying it until I can smell a great fragrance. That would be that the masala is now ready, and then I can add tomatoes in it. Okay. Yeah, I can smell the fragrance now. I'm going to add the tomatoes. Okay, the flame is full. Now I will continue until the oil separates. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes. The water has dried up and the oil is separating. Now at this stage, it's optional. At this stage, if you want, you can put the yogurt, whipped yogurt. I'm going to put in the yogurt. Okay, right. Right. Mix it. Until the water evaporates and you get all the oil coming out. Okay. Now you can put in the aubergine, the fried aubergine and the fried potatoes, and mix it nicely. So it's all coated. Right. Now it takes another 3 minutes to get ready. So we're going to cover it and simmer it on low fire for about 3 to 4 minutes. Like this. Oops, where is the other one gone? It's been 3 minutes now. I'm going to open it now and have a look. And see how it's like. Oh yeah, it's very good. Lovely. Must be great. Okay, I'll turn off the fire. And I'm going to put some green coriander on it, and then I'm going to take it out. I ran out of green coriander, so I put in parsley. Now I'm going to dish it out. Okay, so I'll show you once I dish it out. Okay, here it is. I've dished it out. Now you can serve it to your friends and your family, and they will love it. Okay, take care. See you until next week on my next video.